This is the multi-angle drill bit, and it's a fantastic drill bit as it allows you to do numerous functions all with one bit. It allows you to drill, mill, route, and channel into soft woods and plastics. The drill bit has 9 cutting edges, so it allows you to drill forwards, sideways, and backwards in the cut. This multi-angle bit allows you to form holes, channels, rebates, and countersinks in either straight or a curved direction. It is quick, controllable, and it obeys directional command. This tool saves you time, effort, and money. This tool can go in and out, top to bottom. It allows a curved bend cut coming in from the top and protruding out through the side. It allows a curved contoured cut. It can create a straight or curved gully or channel. Ideal for pipe work, ideal for cabling, and ideal for drilling or boring around obstructions. This tool is ideal for mortising for a door lock as it saves you time and effort. The bits come in a full range from 7mm right up to 35mm. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.